Want to know how you can get paid on YouTube with 0 subscribers? You're in the right place. Stick around, it's coming up now.
Holy moly, I like this. Had to upgrade my internet just so it could keep up with it. Anyway, also I had to beef up my security, not because of hackers, because of my kids taking my phone and downloading crap. So I like this hand scan. Access granted? Yes. Let's fix this music. I can't work without it. By the way, make sure you follow me on Facebook and IG. You definitely gotta sub my channel on YouTube. I'm Dad Stark. See it over there?
Hi, I'm Randy. This is my channel, Dad Starks, where I show you how to make money from YouTube while you grow your channel with 0 subscribers. It is possible. I'm a living product. Now, if you're just like me, you're not monetized yet. You can tell that by looking at my subscribers myself. I just started. That does not mean you can't make bread. But like a business, you must keep in mind it does take a little work. You only get out what you put in. So if you're not a hustler, you're not a grinder, you're not in the zone, and you don't really want it, it's not gonna happen. Money don't come to you. You gotta go out and get it. But you're in luck. I'm gonna show you exactly how you can do it, or at least where to start. There are a lot of companies out there that would love to pay you so they can make money in return, and I'm gonna tell you 3 of them. Plus, stick around at the end. I'm going to tell you my #1 way on how you can make money online. Lots of money online using a system that could put up to $500 in your pocket every day. So stay tuned. The first way you can make money online is selling merch. How, where, and why, I'm going to tell you. Teespring.
What is Teespring now?
Teespring is a platform that lets you create and sell over 20 products with no upfront costs or risk. That means free. How does it work? I'm going to tell you. You choose the selling price and profits from all the products that you create. When a product sells, you get to keep all the profit. For example, the base price of a t-shirt is $10. You start selling that t-shirt for $24. When it sells, you keep the $14.
Wow!
Plus it's free. Like I said, free. Everybody wins. Teespring and you. How cool is that? Go check it out. Link in the description. The next way you can make money online or get paid through YouTube is drop shipping. What is drop shipping? Drop shipping is the process of shipping goods directly to your customers from a third-party vendor or supplier. And the good thing is, you don't have to have a warehouse or a physical business location. They hold it all for you. You just get the profits. Now, in order to do drop shipping, you do need a website. And I know a great one. It's called Shopify. Shopify is a commerce platform that lets anyone set up an online store, just like me and you. Now, Shopify does cost money every month, but you do get a free 14-day trial. Test it out, see how you like it, and go from there. I recommend it. My third and final way to get paid off YouTube and make money online is Patreon. Patreon allows YouTube creators to receive funding directly from their fans or subscribers. But what if you got 0? No biggie, but I'd start and set it up now so when the subscribers do come, they'll be ready to sign up. Got nothing to lose, it's free. Do it now. Now, a side note, keep in mind, none of this will work if you don't have good content. If they don't like you, they're not gonna support. So remember, create, upload, repeat, get better. And now, if you wanna make some serious money online, watch this right now. Now, as promised, I told you I'd show you another way to give you an extra boost on getting ranked on YouTube and getting more views and subscribers. And that is called Video Blaster Marketing Pro. And it does all the hard work and heavy lifting for you. There's a lot of stuff that goes into growing your YouTube channel, and this software breaks it down for you. It will increase your traffic, not just YouTube traffic, and Google. It will find you the best keywords for your tags and descriptions, and it will rank your videos and give you detailed data. Click the link in my description and you'll get it for a fraction of that price, but it only lasts for 10 minutes once you click it. Plus there's tons and tons and tons of reviews. Not only that, they stand by their product. I stand by their product. If you don't like it, you get your money back. 60 days, full money back guarantee. Once you get that, you're gonna need this. Everybody thinks that just because you don't have 10,000 views and 1,000 subscribers to get monetized on YouTube, that you can't make money on YouTube. You can still make money online. And the way to do that is affiliate marketing. You want to really make some money, you really want to match your current income from your job if you're working, you really want to quit your job, I would sell high ticket items. Imagine if you're getting a commission for $500. One person would set you straight. One person per day, 7 days a week, to buy a product that's $500. Multiply that times 7, that's $3,500 a week. The money works, the money's there. The links are in my description. Thanks for having me. Good luck. Make sure you start posting those links and growing your channel. Let me know how it goes. Good luck.